Hi, Greg from Django. We're looking at our grade 3 pieces today, and here is piece C2, Celtic Blue, not Celtic Blue, Celtic Blue, very commonly chosen. This piece has a key signature of 1 flat, so it could be F major, it could be D minor. I believe this to be D minor because it's got a very minor-y feel. The time signature is 6/8. So that's 6 beats a bar, but each of those beats is a quaver. And when we count 6/8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you look at the tempo says a dotted crotchet at 80 beats per minute. So that's at 80 beats per minute. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's the time signature and the speed. Starts off piano, a little crescendo up to forte in the first 2 bars, and then it takes off. So I'm going to play through it and then talk through some of the complexities. So here we go. It starts off like this. So there we have it, Celtic Blue. So I've talked through it's 6/8. At the beginning there's a little ghost note. So it's got 2 dotted minims of a D and an A, but there's a little ghost G sharp. And what we do for there is we just do a little hammer on from G sharp to A. There's obviously the crescendo, so making it louder as you go through. There's a hammer off in bar 4, a pull off, sorry. And then other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You've got this little F and A and then E and G. I'm using pinky on both of those and the first finger on the other, and just change my hand shape. Putting my fingers out the way. And another little hammer here. Now into the legato sections, and this is the first one. These can be a little bit tricky because they're all double notes, and they're kind of a bit awkward in places. So playing a bit slower than it needs to be, so you can hear it. This one, lovely interval. At the end of the first legato section, we've got this little diminished run, which does need practice. And those are those 2 diminished runs. The first one is F, G sharp, B, D, F, D, the 5th string, and you start the same sort of pattern but starting on B flat. Call it B flat. They do call it B flat. And then it's kind of back to the beginning. And then we go into another legato section in a second. C bass, and then new legato section. So, and this time it's got the sense of going up. And crescendo through it as well, so try and bring that into it. And then when you get to forte, you've got this little rundown from B flat. And you've got C sharp in the second one, so that A chord goes major. And then back to C natural. And then this little forte forte, we don't get many of these, run at the end. So as loud as you possibly can with a little flourish at the end. Lovely thing to play. So that's Celtic Blue, ceasing.